open the chopsticks.
Here. You have one more.
One more?
Yeah, open that big one.
Alright, I will open the big one. Ooh, Daddy, look!
Yeah, that's a toy chest.
It doesn't move.
Yeah, it doesn't move, but you can open it. See? Pawpaw bought it for you. See? You can open it up, and you put all your toys in there.
Like this?
Yeah, you put your toys in, and then you close it.
And then it rocks?
No, it doesn't rock. You can sit on it.
Let's open this one.
Look, what's that on top? What's that right there? Look, you didn't look at it. Look at that. Turn it around so you can see the front, the picture.
Princess! A princess blanket that I can sleep on.
Yeah, that's a sleeping bag.
Let's open this one. Let's see this one. Look! A tent!
Yeah. So now you got your own castle now.
What? This is a tent.
Yeah, it's a tent castle.
You need a desert tent. You need a Superman tent. When I was thinking of tent, my teacher makes it. Oh, my teacher makes it. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna come in and stop now.
You like your chalkboard?
Yes.
Santa Noel brought that for you.
Who's that walking? Maybe it's their mother. Maybe it's a mother. And then... What? What happened? And then... And then some more. And now green.